and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a fall makeup look. I love how this turned out and I'm so excited for today's video. If you love fall as much as I do, go ahead and go down in the comments and comment all of the fall emojis that you can find, leaves, pumpkins, whatever. Comment your favorite thing about fall or to do in fall. And yeah, I hope you enjoy this video. If you want to see how I got this look on my face, then just keep on watching. So I went ahead and did my brows off camera. I just used my ABH Dip Brow Pomade in the shade medium brown and then followed that up with my Tarte Amazonian Clay waterproof brow pencil in the shade medium brown as well. Went ahead and cleaned them up with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and do the eyes first, I think. So I'm going in with my trusty Jaclyn Hill palette. This is the original. I do not have the Vault yet. Okay, so I'm going to go in with a small blending brush and go in with the shade Silk Cream right here as my transition shade, and we're just going to pop that in our crease. So I want to make this kind of a red look. So next I'm going in with the shade Hunt right here. I'm going to try and take this in my crease, not too high. So I'm actually starting by packing this on my outer corner and then I'm going to kind of blend it into my crease. And I'm going to raise my eyebrows to make my eyelids have a little bit more space so we have more to work with and make sure that it doesn't get sloppy. If you are kind of messy, make sure you're keeping it lower rather than high because we want to keep this look kind of like an ombre effect. Okay, so next I'm going in with this IBY Beauty crease brush. Yeah, I'm going to go in with Chip right here and try and deepen this up a little bit, but we're just going to go in with a really tiny amount of that and only focusing it on the outer section of my eye. And honestly, I'm really keeping this tight against my lash line before I blend it because that'll add, again, that really gradual ombre effect. I'm going to go back in with that same brush we used the red with and kind of blend this out. I'm going to go in with a little bit more of that brown. So that looks really nice, but I'm actually going to go back in with the brown and kind of take it in my crease as well and just make sure that I'm keeping it directly in my crease. So I'm going to go back in with a cranberry color and just kind of take that over everything and see if that'll kind of bring it back to the whole red. The color that I used before that I totally forgot to tell you guys was Jack's. It was this color right here. Now we're going to go in and make a cut crease, again with my Tarte Shape Tape. So next I'm going to take some glitter on my eyes. I'm going in with Queen from the palette and I'm going to take this along that crease that we just cut. That took us forever. I'm actually going to set that first with my Derma blend. So the glitter is just not setting right, so I'm literally just going to go back in and recut my crease. Now we are not, I repeat not, going to set our eyes. I'm going straight in with my glitter. Now I'm going to go in and do a wing with my NYX Epic Ink liner, just creating a fairly thin line, and then we're going to go in with the wing. I'm going to take a little bit of the Perversion mascara from Urban Decay and I'm just going to pop this on my lashes. The reason I'm using this specific mascara is because I'm almost out of it, and when I apply lashes I like to have a very, very thin layer of mascara on, so I'm just taking this lightly. I'm going to go ahead and go off camera to apply my falsies. I'm going to be using the Chartist Pro cruelty-free lashes in the style Goddess. I've used these in every video that I've had lashes on. It's been these because these are my favorite. I'm in love with these. And then I'm going in with my Duo Glue. I use the black one. It's just a matter of preference. But yeah, I'm going to go off camera and apply these and I will be right back. Okay, so we have our lashes on. I'm going to go in with my Studio Perfect Photo Loving Primer from NYX. And I'm just actually going to apply this right underneath my eyes and on my nose because that is where my pores are the largest, I guess. And then I'll kind of take whatever's left on my hands around the rest of my face. I'm going in with my Superstay foundation from Maybelline in the shade 112 Natural Ivory, and then I'm going in with my Real Techniques sponge. I also take this down my neck, and then whatever's left on my hand I just take on the sponge. Now I'm going in with my Tarte Shape Tape, going to apply this underneath my eyes. I'm not applying too much just because this concealer is thick. going in with my smaller sponge to blend that out. So for contour, I'm going in with this little stick contour. I'm not even actually sure where it's from. It has no name on the packaging, but it looks like this. And I'm just going to contour my skin. Oh, before I do that, I'm going to go in and set my smile lines because those crease so bad. And then also underneath my eyes. And then I'm brushing that away immediately with this big fluffy brush because I do have dry skin. I'm going in with the contour and highlight sponge from Real Techniques to blend this out. It was really difficult to blend out. I used about 3 different things to blend it. So I'm going in with my highlighter next, which I'm using my Ofra highlighter in the shade Pillow Talk, and I'm just going to dust this pretty much everywhere. Okay, so my camera battery died. It's been about an hour-ish, but we're going to try and finish up this look. It is pretty much dark outside now. Sorry about the lighting, it's a little bit off. So let's go ahead and finish up our lower lash line. I'm just going to take whatever product is left on this brush and just take it underneath my lashes. So now that I have that done, I'm actually going to go back into the palette and dip back into that gold shade, and I'm just going to take this on this flat brush right here and just pack this on the inner. So now that we have that, we are ready for some bottom mascara. I'm going back in with my Perversion. So for our lips, I'm going to go in with the Too Faced Melted Matte Lippy in the shade Cool Girl. Okay, so once that is nice and dry, I'm going in with my Dose of Colors Matte Lippy in the shade Let's Cuddle. And I'm just going to take this on that inner section. Okay, so I just found my new favorite nude lip combo. So yeah, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Thank you so much for taking your time out of the day to watch my video, and I love you guys so much. I will see you in my next video, which, by the way, if you did not see my last video, I filmed a collab with Cherish. She and I did a Halloween video together. She had a party at her house, and you can watch her channel to see the vlog, behind the scenes, spooky kind of video. I'll have it linked down below. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I will see you in the next one. Love you guys.